Attack here. And Rack Attack Senior in the back, right there. And we're getting ready to work on
The Roadster Guru.
Yes, the Roadster Guru. That's right. That one's covered up. Maybe we'll show it to you later. This one is what we're going to work on. This is a 1969 Datsun 2000 Roadster in silver. And as you can see, it's pretty stripped down. We just got the transmission back today. And we're getting ready to do a little bit of putting back together. Probably starting with what? The deck lid, Dad? What are we going to do?
Do the deck lid, and we're going to do 4 hinge receivers.
Perfect.
And then we're going to probably start up here and put the starter in, the exhaust header, the intake manifold, and get all of, and maybe even get the carburetors on. All of that is done, it'll look like this over here. So this silver car is to look like the black car that's silver.
Right. So this is the old man's rig right here. Beautiful. It's a show car through and through. Fully restored in every way. Interior, just as money as the exterior. Wins a lot of awards at a lot of shows.
This was purchased new in August of 1970.
I mean, it's pretty dang good, you know.
It's still tight enough so that
Yeah, I do this type of shit all the time, like the bars.
Slightly altered.
They've gotten tight. Successful installation. Now we're going to install new